How is the camera? Comment from M. Short story time. So, napansin ko na ang daming nagko-comment dito or just asking for this Lenovo laptop of ours. To be honest, hindi ko alam na mag-blow or i-increase ng mabilis yung views natin with this one. Actually, nung in-unbox ko yan, nandito pa yung unboxing, no? Hindi ko pa napopost. So, the thing that na pinost ko is yung regarding sa specifications. So, though there are questions here na talagang medyo technical side. So, is it for programming? So, kaya ginagawan ko pa ng mga research. Baka mamaya, mali or false statement or false information yung maibigay ko. But this question from M, medyo madali lang since this is the function of the camera, the quality of the camera. So, now, try natin. This is our Lenovo Idea Slim Pad 3 variant 15i RH8. So, let's search for the camera. So, tatry kong ubusin yung mga questions nyo, guys, no? So, yan. Meron siyang pang-cover dito, as you can see. Kasi, may privacy dito, no? If you know Snowden, so meron documentary si Snowden. I forgot his first name, pero he is an incredible, sobrang talinong cyber security ata sa Amerika or FBI or I forgot the exact department niya. So, meron kaming pinanood ni wife na yung mga ganito, yung phones natin, yung laptop cameras, kaya pala nauso tong mga privacy ng camera, yung declip na binibili. Kasi, na-access pala siya ng isang application na inisplok ni Snowden. So, si Snowden is nagtago siya sa somewhere sa ibang bansa. Kasi nga, hinahabol siya ng Amerika, ng mga Americans regarding doon kasi nga inisplok niya yung app na yon. So yung app na yon is kahit nakapatay yung phone mo, lowbat, makikita pa rin nila through the camera. Actually, may isa ding scene sa Money Heist, yung original one, yung Spanish. Makikita niyo na lowbat na yung mga phones nila, pero na-access pa rin nila yung camera. Or nakapatay yung phone nila. Hindi nakabukas yung camera ha, na-access pa rin ng isang application or I don't know how do they do it. They reverse engineer it. Na-access nila. So, makikita nila na kung anong ginagawa mo kapag trinay nilang what do you call this? Trinay nilang i-hijack or i-hack yung mismong device mo. So, might as well, binibilihan natin talaga ng pang-cover. So, good thing, meron pang-cover si Lenovo 15i RH Idea Slim Pad 3. So, ito na nga yun. So, right now, may naka-cover siya. If naka-cover yan, nakalagay is your camera might be covered. So, meron siyang warning or device na nagpa-pop up kapag naka-cover. So, to uncover it, swipe mo lang, pakanan. And then, pag may orange, dun yung nakalock na. Pag wala, ayan, ibig sabihin na-access yung camera mo. So, this is the quality of this device. So, medyo magulo lang yung bahay. And that is Lola. Yan, tumatahol. So, this is the quality of this camera of Lenovo 15i RH. So, mind you, yung lights namin is warm white pa. So, yan, yung face ng tone. Medyo madilim lang. No? Pero, manageable naman. Yun nga lang, hindi siya as good as yung mga yung mga external camera na nabibili natin. And may mga internal settings pa siya dito sa integrated camera. Pwede ka mag-adjust. Brightness, yan. Para lumiwanag, contrast. So, meron naman. Sharpness. So, pwede mo siyang galawin dito if you want a better view of your camera. Camera itself. So, this is for Lenovo Idea Slim 315i RH8. This has a 720p HD camera or an FHD 1080p camera. So, this is around 720 or 1080p. Not bad na rin since this is for our documents or for work. Minsan nilalagyan lang natin ng mga games na yung mga 20,000 sa games like Red Alert, Counter-Strike, pampatay lang ng oras. Pero never tried here pa yung talagang mabibigat na games like Valorant, Dota 2. Hindi ko pa siya natatry ng ganun.